Okay, good afternoon to all. We already discussed Jordan canonical form. Now we go to the rational canonical form. First of all, introduction of the rational canonical form is, let me consider this matrix. And for this matrix, this is the characteristic polynomial. And if we want to find its characteristic roots, then it is clear that the characteristic root R not comes in R. So, what we do? We cannot find possible Jordan canonical form. So, for that, we want to study rational canonical form. That means if we have a minimal polynomial or a characteristic polynomial which all the roots are not in the given field, then we have to go to rational canonical form. Now, for that we need to study a companion matrix. Okay. What is companion matrix? So if your polynomial is like this, gamma 0, gamma 1x plus up to plus gamma r minus 1 x raised to r minus 1 plus x raised to r, or gamma r x raised to r is in fx, and which is r degree. That means for that we get a companion matrix which is of r cross r, because the degree of the polynomial is r, so companion matrix is r cross r. And how to find companion matrix? Just like this. First row is 0 0 0 and minus gamma 0, because sign of this is change. Here plus, so we write here minus. Now 1 0 0 minus gamma 1, 0 1 dot 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 0 minus gamma 2, up to 0 0 1 minus gamma r minus 1. So this is r cross r matrix, and which is called a companion matrix, and this is the companion matrix of f. So we write here C of fx, which is the notation of the companion matrix. Okay. Now let's see some example. There are three polynomial or a function are given. So we have to find the companion matrix. For that we need to compare this all with the standard form, this. Here in the first example we have x minus 2. So x minus 2 I compare with this form. So here the degree of this function f of x is equals to x minus 2. So degree of this is 1. So we get a companion matrix which is of 1 cross 1. And if your matrix is 1 cross 1, we not consider highest degree term in the in this. So only we need to write minus 2, but with the sign change. So this is the companion matrix for this. So if you have this as your new polynomial, so here also maximum degree, a degree of the polynomial is 1. So we get a matrix which is of 1 cross 1. And so what is the companion matrix for this? Minus 3. Now next example, what is our next example? X minus 2, x minus 3. So our next example is x minus 2, x minus 3. If we multiply this, we get x squared minus 5x plus 6. So if we compare with this polynomial to our standard form, we get a 2 cross 2 matrix, because the degree of this polynomial is 2 cross 2. What is the first row? 0 and this term, but this with minus sign, because here is plus sign. So next 1, and we not consider highest degree term, so plus 5. So this is the companion matrix of the given polynomial. Now next example, which is x minus 2 square into x minus 3. x minus 2 square into x minus 3. If we solve this, we get x square minus 4x plus 4 multiply with x minus 3, x squared minus 3x square minus 4x square plus 12x plus 4x minus 12. So this is nothing but x square, okay, x square minus 3x square. That's why this is nothing but minus 2x square here. Okay, this is nothing but x cube. Sorry, I made a mistake here. X cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12. So here given polynomial is like this. So if we want to find the companion matrix for this is nothing but 3 cross 3 matrix, because the degree of the polynomial is 3. So 3 cross 3, first entry is 0 0 and this one here is minus 12. So we write here plus 12. Next term 1 0 minus 16. Next term 0 1 plus 7. So this is the your companion matrix of your given polynomial, which already write here in your notes. Let's see. This is the companion matrix for this. And this is your companion matrix for the second one, and here I write answer. Okay, so I hope all of you are very good to find the companion matrix. Now we are not interested to find a companion matrix, because we are and we want to study a rational canonical form, and for that we need to find the companion matrix. Okay, now I define rational canonical form. What is rational canonical form? For that, let me take T belongs to AB and a polynomial Px which is equals to Q1x L1 up to Qkx Lk over F, where Q1, Q2 up to Qk are irreducible distinct polynomial in Fx. If this is not irreducible, then we don't want to go for a rational canonical form, because we have Jordan canonical form and we easily compute Jordan canonical form. So here this is the important word, because here irreducible distinct polynomial in Fx. So we want to define a rational canonical form, so that this is the matrix R1, R2 up to Rk, and all other entries are 0, where R1 is nothing but C of Qix e raised to I1 up to C of Eix e raised to Ir. This is nothing but, what is Ri? Ith factor companion matrix, because if he write I is equals to 1, we want to find R1. R1 is nothing but first companion matrix of first polynomial Q1x. And if we find all the companion matrix of the given minimal polynomial, all factors of the minimal polynomial, then easily we find rational canonical form. Okay, so for that we are go towards the example. Here one beautiful example. Consider this matrix minus 2 0 0 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 2 4 0. So first of all we want to find a minimal polynomial. For that we need to know what is the characteristic polynomial for this matrix, because we need characteristic polynomial, because if characteristic polynomial are not irreducible, then we are going towards the Jordan canonical form. Here if we find the characteristic, I know you all are very aware with how to find a characteristic polynomial, so I didn't consider here the how to find a characteristic polynomial. Okay, let me take this matrix, and if we want to find Cx, then Cx is nothing but x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. And if clearly we cannot find eigenvalues, all its eigenvalues in field R, so that we want to go towards rational canonical form. For that we need to find minimal polynomial. And how to find minimal polynomial? Here your characteristic polynomial is x plus 2 cube. So possible minimal polynomial is nothing must be either this x plus 2 or x plus 2 square or x plus 2 cube. And if we put a in place of x, and if this is equals to 0, then this is your minimal polynomial. If this is equals to 0, then this is your minimal polynomial. And if both of this is not equals to 0, then this is your minimal polynomial. That means that Cx is equals to mx. Okay, so let me check a plus 2i. Okay, clearly just this is the simple simplification. If you find a plus 2i which is not equals to 0, so x plus 2 is not minimal polynomial, so we go for a plus 2i square, and which gives value 0. That means 0 matrix. So your factor x plus 2 square, which is your minimal polynomial. So whenever we have to find minimal polynomial of Cx like this, it is very easy to find minimal polynomial, because just give simple simplification and we find which is your minimal polynomial from Cx. Okay, so here Cx is nothing but x plus 2 cube, and we get mx is nothing but x plus 2 square. Okay, so here your Cx is x plus 2 cube. That means your companion, your rational canonical form size must be 3 cross 3, because your rational canonical form size depends on your Cx. So degree of Cx is 3, so your rational canonical form, possible rational canonical form size is 3 cross 3. But here in the minimal polynomial there are 2 degree. So we have to multiply with another one factor. So here are 2 invariant factors. First invariant factor is x plus 2 square, which is your largest invariant factor because this is minimal polynomial, and another factor is x plus 2. So we want to find the minimum companion matrix for this and also for this. Okay. Now just simplify this x square plus 4x plus 4, and also we see nothing to do with this. So here these 2 are the factors, invariant factors. So here x square plus 4x plus 4 and x plus 2 are 2 invariant factors. So for this companion matrix is nothing but must be nothing but 0, minus 4, 1, minus 4, and for this companion matrix is minus 2. Okay, so possible RCF is 0, minus 4, 1, minus 4, and minus 2. All other entries are 0. So this is your RCF, which is the combination of all companion matrix. So here I already write like this. We also know that the size of our canonical form is 3 cross 3 because here the highest degree, here the degree of the characteristic polynomial is 3. So your RCF is 3 cross 3. So there are 2 invariants factor because your minimal polynomial degree is 2. If your minimal polynomial is Cx, then we don't want to do anything because if your mx is 3 cross 3, what is your size of companion matrix? 3 cross 3. So your companion matrix must be your RCF. But in our case, the size of minimal polynomial is 2, so we need another factor from us to become RCF is 3 cross 3. So let me take x plus 2, another factor. Okay, so we have two factor, x plus 2 square, and another x plus 2. For x plus 2 square, companion matrix is like this, and for x plus 2, companion matrix is minus 2. If we combine these two companion matrix, okay, if we combine this two companion matrix, we get our rational canonical form. It is not necessary that we write like this. It is also possible we write this also. This is also possible, but this both are same case, so possibility of the rational canonical form in this case is only 1, and this is the answer. Now next example. I hope now you definitely understand how to find the rational canonical form. This is your matrix 2 minus 2 14 0 3 minus 7 0 0 3 0 0 2. So first of all we want to find the Cx, and for finding the Cx we need to calculate some mathematical calculation. But if you observe this matrix is nothing but triangular matrix, so very easy to say which is the Cx, because 2, 3 and 2 are your eigenvalue. We already learned what is the eigenvalue of triangular matrix. So your Cx is x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3. Okay, here in our case Cx is x minus 2 square, because 2 is 2 times, and x minus 3. Now we need to find mx. So this is, I leave for you to find the mx, but I just tell you what is the mx. The mx for this polynomial is nothing but x minus 2 into x minus 3. Because if you put a minus okay, possibility of mx is nothing but this two only, x minus 2 x minus 3, or x minus 2 square x minus 3. These two are only possibly. If we put here a minus 2i and a minus 3i, and you find you just multiply this two term, you get 0. So this is your minimal polynomial. And if you get non-zero term, then this is your minimal polynomial. Okay, so clearly these are going to 0. So your mx is nothing but this x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now what is the size of rational canonical form? Here degree of this is 2 and degree of this is 1, so the size of the degree of Cx is 3, and so your RCF size is 3 cross 3. But in your minimal polynomial, degree is 2, so we need to multiply another factor, and which is x minus 2, because in the Cx, x minus 3 is degree with degree 1, so we cannot multiply x minus 3 with 2 with x this term with x minus 3, because in mx degree of the term is not larger than Cx, so only multiply with x minus 2. Okay, now the companion matrix for this x minus 2 x minus 3, the companion matrix for this, and companion matrix for x minus 2. And the companion matrix for x minus 2 is very easy, nothing but 1 cross 1 2, and companion matrix for x minus 2 into x minus 3, this is nothing but x square minus 5x plus 6. So the companion matrix for this is 0 minus 6 and 1 plus 5. and if we combine this two, we get possible RCF is 0 minus 615. This is your first block, and 2, this is your second block. So these things are written here. This is your first companion matrix, this is your second companion matrix, and if you combine these two, you get RCF. Okay. Okay, this is your homework question. For that, you need to find a CX and MX, and then find invariant factors and companion matrix of that invariant factor, and if you combine this two, combine companion matrix, you get RCF. Okay, let's see another example. Here your example is like this. V be any vector space over a Q, and dimension of V is equals to 8. T belongs to AB, and your minimal polynomial is t raised to 4 minus 4t cube plus 6t square minus 4t minus 7 into t minus 3 square. And for that you have to find possible RCF. Okay. So here dimension of vector space V is 8, and your MX is x raised to 4 minus 4, sorry, mt. So t raised to 4 minus 4t cube plus 6t square minus 4t minus 7 and t minus 3 square. So we do not know what is the matrix here, what is the CX here, but we also don't want to interested into finding the CX or a matrix, because we are only need to know we are only wants to find RCF. Okay, here two minimal factors in minimal polynomial. First is this and second is this, but here dimension is given and T is belongs to AB. Dimension of vector space is 8 and T is from V to V. That means your your matrix of T, whose size must be 8 cross 8. So your RCF size must be 8 cross 8, because dimension of vector space is 8. And your minimal polynomial is 4 degree and another factor is 2 degree. So combining these two, we get 6 degree polynomial, and that's why from this we only generate 6 cross 6 matrix. So we wants to find another factor. Okay, so here your minimal polynomial is t raised to 4 minus 4t cube plus 6t square minus 4t minus 7. So we have to must include this in your RCF, also this in your RCF, but still remaining term is 2, because this and this combinedly give 6 cross 6 entry. So we only need 2 degree factor. So we include this, and can we include this? So multiply this and multiply this. So obviously this is not possible, because the degree of 4 plus 4 is already 8. So this is not possible. So can we write like this? Yes, this is possible, because this and this combiningly give 8 cross 8 entry. Okay, some other student says this is also possible. T minus 3, T minus 3. Okay, so this is also possible. Is there any other possibility? Check in your homework. Okay, for this example I give you answer. These are the only possibility. So here are two possibility of RCF. First possibility, t raised to 4 minus 4t cube plus 6t square minus 4t minus 7 into t minus 3 square into t minus 3 square. And for this companion matrix is nothing but t raised to 4 minus 4t cube plus 6t square minus 4t minus 7. Your companion matrix is nothing but 4 cross 4, and which is 0 0 0 plus 7, 1 0 0 plus 4, 0 1 0 minus 6, 0 0 1 plus 4. And companion matrix for t minus 3 square is equals to c of t square minus 6t plus 9. That's why the companion matrix is 0 0, size is 2 cross 2, so 0 and minus 9 and 1 plus 6. And companion matrix for t minus 3 whole square is also same, 0 minus 9 1 6. If we combine this 3, we get RCF. What is the RCF? 0 0 0 7 1 0 0 4 0 1 0 minus 6 and 0 0 1 4. All other entries are 0. 8 cross 8, so we need to write 4 entry. Okay, now what is next entry? 0 0 0 0 minus 9 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 6. Another block. This is your first block. All other entries is 0 0 0. Now 0 0 0 0 0 minus 9 0 0 0 0 0, sorry, 1. Okay, I made a mistake here, 0 and minus 9 here, and here 0 1 6. So this is your another factor. Okay, I just again explain, because okay, we have first companion matrix is 0 0 0 7 1 0 0 4 and 0 1 0 minus 6 0 0 1 4. Another companion matrix is 0 minus 9 1 6 and another companion 0 minus 9 1 6. Okay, so what we do, we just write like this, combine all this. First we put here 0 0 0 7, all other entries are 0. Now 1 0 0 4, all other entries are 0. 0 1 0 minus 6 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 4 0 0 0 0. Now 0 0 0 0 minus 9, sorry, 0 minus 9, all other entries are 0. 0 0 0 0 1 6 0 0. Now 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 minus 9 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 6. So this is your first, second and third block. Order is not important, but this is 8 cross 8. So this is the possible RCF of this. Now there are another possibility of your invariant factor, which is this, which is t raised to 4 minus 4t cube plus 6t square minus 4t minus 7 t minus 3 square t minus 3 t minus 3. So first companion matrix we already know. The first factor no companion matrix is 0 0 0 7 1 0 0 4 0 1 0 minus 6 0 0 1 4. The companion matrix for second is 0 minus 9 1 6, and companion matrix for t minus 3, which is also we know that this is nothing but 1 cross 1 3, and another factor is t minus 3, so also 3. If we combine this, we get 8 cross 8 matrix, which is our another possible RCF, which is nothing but 0 0 0 7 1 0 0 4 0 1 0 minus 6 0 0 1 4 0 minus 9 1 6 3. All other entries are 0. So this is our RCF. So in this example, possible RCF is 2, and the order of the RCF is 8 cross 8. Now I leave this example for you. Let V be a vector space over Q with dimension is 7 and minimal polynomial of T is this, then find RCF possible. Here the degree of the minimal polynomial is 3 plus 2 is 5, and the dimension of V is 7, so we get 7 cross 7 matrix. But in our minimal polynomial there are total degree is 5, so now this minimal polynomial gives us a 5 cross 5 matrix. We have to convert this, we have to multiply this 2 factor with another factor so that we get 7 cross 7 matrix. I give one hint. Your mx is this t square minus 2t plus 5 and t minus 3 cube. So first possibility is this t square minus 2t plus 5 t minus 3 square and t square minus 2t plus 5. So this is 3 degree, this is 2 degree, plus this is 2 degree, so 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. Okay, is there any other possibility? Just think over that. Can we multiply this with t minus 3 or t minus t square, t minus 3 square? Just think. And if you have any doubts regarding any question or any theory, you can contact me anytime. Thank you all. Have a nice day.